Hi everyone, so today we will learn how you can enable and disable all extensions in VS Code editor. As you can see, I've already opened the VS Code editor. Now to see what are the extensions I have installed, I need to go to this file menu, preferences, then click on extensions. So on the right hand side, you can see I have installed these extensions. Now to disable all of them, I have to go to this view and open the command palette. You can also use shortcut Ctrl plus Shift plus P. So here in the suggestions, you can see I'm getting this extensions, enable all extensions and disable all installed extensions because I recently used them. In your case, you simply need to search for disable all and it will show up here, disable all installed extensions. Simply click on it to disable all your extensions. So you can see they all are disabled. After doing so, please close your VS Code and reopen it. Let me do so. So I have reopened my VS Code and you can see all these extensions are disabled. You can ignore this one because you cannot disable this. There's only an option of uninstall. So just ignore this one for now. So all these extensions are disabled. Now to enable them back, I have to go to view again, command palette. And here you need to search for enable all extensions. Simply click here. So you can see all extensions are enabled, but the theme that I was using, it is not activated yet. To activate that theme, which is I think Atom 1 dark theme, I need to go to view, preferences, themes, color theme, and from here I need to pick this Atom 1 dark, and we are done. So that's how you can enable and disable all your extensions in VS Code. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.